Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and if you're new here, you're welcome to my channel. But if you've been watching my past videos, you are welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am gonna be making a delicious shrimp stew. I don't know why I always have problem pronouncing shrimp. Whatever. So I'm gonna be making a very delicious shrimp stew, and this is gonna be really simple and easy to make. Anybody can make this, but it is so good. So yeah, I am upstairs right now, and we're just gonna head downstairs and get this food together. Yeah, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yep, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so the very first thing we do, of course, is to wash our hands and make sure we're not cross-contaminating. And yeah, and then we're just gonna start cooking after doing that important step. So these are my ingredients here. I have potatoes, I have some sweet pepper, those little one, I have the mini ones, and one big yellow one, and I have some onions, I have some habanero peppers, tomatoes. So these tomatoes are frozen, that's why they look like this. And of course, I have my shrimp on the side here. All right, I have my blender here because we're gonna be blending some of our vegetables, and I have a bowl of oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and season my shrimp first, and I am using 1 teaspoon of garlic and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper, like half a teaspoon. And I'm gonna add 1 Maggi cube, or if you bouillon cubes, if that's what you have, but this is the African Maggi cubes. So I'm just gonna add 1 of that, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix. Okay, now that that is done, we're gonna go ahead and cut our vegetables, which is the mini sweet peppers and the onions, and we're gonna go ahead and blend those with the tomatoes as well. Alright, now that my onions are blended, I am gonna add some oil into my pot. That oil was a little too much, so I did not add everything. I did maybe half of that in the pot, and I'm gonna go ahead and fry my potatoes first. So you want to fry your potatoes until it is nicely brown, like a golden brown color. So by the time your potatoes are done, it should look like that. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my shrimp in the pot and fry for about 2 minutes on each side. I'm not gonna be putting everything at once because I don't want the shrimp to release a lot of water, so I'm just gonna do half and then do another half. So I fry for 2 minutes on each side. As you guys can see, I am just turning this shrimp to the other side so that side can fry as well. So we don't want the shrimp to overcook. That's why I don't want to fry it for so long, because I don't want it to get hard. As you know, when shrimp is overcooked, it gets a little hard when you're eating it. So just fry it for like a minute or two on each side and you should be good. Alright, my shrimp is fried, and now it's time to add our blended ingredients, which is the onions, mini bell peppers, and the large bell peppers, and the tomatoes, all blended together. So that is what I just added into the pot now, and I am going to fry that as well until the onion is translucent or caramelized. Okay, while that is frying, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 full tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm adding my Scotch bonnet or habanero peppers. I'm adding 1 Maggi cube to it. So the reason why I added the Scotch bonnets or habanero pepper is because I like my food to be spicy, but my husband does not like spice. So this is the option that I usually do. I wouldn't cook the food with too much spice, but I will put in the pepper fruits. That way I can, eat the pepper fruits while I'm eating my food, if that makes sense. But yeah, so we're just gonna let this fry, and as you guys can see, I added a little bit of water. That is to help my onions get translucent while it's frying without it getting burnt. But I am adding water little by little and mixing. So I just added my potatoes. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I just added my potatoes, so my potatoes can cook in the inside, even though it's almost done, but I want it to cook really good. So I added it while my onions are still frying. And so it's been like a couple of minutes, like about 3 to 5 minutes, and this is what it looks like. My onions is translucent and everything is well cooked. As you guys can see the oil on top. There is no water anymore. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my shrimp and mix. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover my pot and then let that cook for like a minute or two again, and we should be done with this food. And voila, this is what it looks like. The food is done, and this is our shrimp stew. African shrimp stew, Gambian style to be specific. This is really good, and you can eat it with spaghetti, you can eat this with rice. I like to eat it with rice. My husband, of course, will eat it with spaghetti, but you can eat this with anything that you want, even bread if you want. So because we like to eat bread with so many things. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.